watching. For all my 90s babes, you know exactly who I am. Lainey Briggs from She's All That. And for anyone that's never seen that movie, I'm sorry, but it's a classic. One of the best romantic comedies of the 90s, and I feel like they just don't make movies like they did in the 90s. So I wanted to do a before and after of Lainey Briggs because I just want to live out one of my childhood fantasies. So I figured this was one of her most iconic before looks. So get ready with me today to turn myself into the red dress scene of She's All That. I'm gonna get ready with this on my head because why not? It's my headband. I already moisturized my face. We are gonna go in with foundation. We're gonna just unbutton this bit so I could see my chest color. I did do a tan. I'm gonna take 2 pumps, my El Maquillage foundation, and we're going to apply it. So if anyone has not seen this movie, I highly recommend watching it. I don't remember who I was talking to the other day, but I was like, we had the best romantic, like chick flicks and like romantic comedies growing up. And again, like I have not seen a good movie and I don't even know how long, and it's just really upsetting. Did Lainey contour her nose and She's All That? Probably not. I'm gonna say no. Am I gonna do it anyway? Yes. You guys know I can't survive without a nose contour. Contour, some cream, just lightly. What are your guys' all-time favorite romantic comedies? Comment below. This is definitely on the top of my list. So funny story because Freddie Prinze Jr. is in that movie, obviously. He was like everybody's 90s crush. And my papa was actually really good friends with Sarah Michelle Gellar's dad, who Freddie Prinze Jr. and Sarah Michelle Gellar are still married. So again, if you guys don't know who I'm talking about, I feel sorry for you, but for all of my 90s people, how cool is that? Not that I ever got to meet her or anything, but it's a little fun fact. So we're doing 90s glam with 2020. All blended into one. So when I thought of this idea, I was like so excited because I didn't see anyone else do it yet on TikTok or anywhere. So I'm just living out my childhood fantasy. So it's hard to see exactly how her makeup is. I'm gonna use the Artist Couture palette, the color Canvas, and I'm putting that all over my lids. So it kind of looks like a cool tone smoky eye. I'm gonna do like a cool tone brown because I don't really love like gray and black on me. I'm gonna take this shade right here and blend it. This is gonna go in the crease and on the lid. We're gonna take Silhouette, put that on the lid. Take that. I like 90s is like, you know, kind of like messy eyes, like it was nothing like what it is now. So, I mean, is this how her makeup looked? Probably not exactly, but we're gonna just pretend. And then we're gonna do a liner. We're gonna do a liner with no wing. I guess like a tiny wing, because for me that's a tiny wing. So I'm gonna smudge the line a bit. I'm gonna take the Huda Purpose. I'm gonna just smudge it a little to give it like a more grungy type of look. bit. I have lash extensions. I'm just debating if I should put, I'm not gonna do lashes on the edge. I'm just gonna do mascara because I know for a fact she was not wearing lash extensions. So we're just gonna use a little mascara. What's her face? My favorite part. I'm gonna take this same shade under my eyes and the color Silhouette also. I'm just mixing them. A little powder under the eyes, and we're gonna do bottom mascara. So now for lips, her lips look red, but not like red, like almost like a muted, darker red. So I'm gonna use my Bybel lip liner, and then I'm gonna try like this cheek tint because it's more like sheer, because I feel like that's gonna be more close to it, but we're gonna play and see. I'm gonna do this just to overline them because this is my specialty. So now this is by the brand Make Los Angeles Heat Stroke Swelter. So it kind of looks close to this shade. Let's see. Yeah. Because it's like red, but it's like sheer. Putting a little powder. Putting a little powder because I don't love the sheen. It's better. I'm just gonna add a little blush. Gotta highlight the nose. Like that. Now we're gonna do our hair. So obviously my hair's super long. I'm just gonna kind of do like big curls to make it look like blown out really pretty. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of a lash on the end because I just need it. I just need it right now. It's like, I think because there's no tail, my eyes just feel small. So I'm just adding like a little half. Add a little Carli to it. Okay, now it's time for hair. I'm gonna just curl our hair. I think this curling one is like 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. It's a bigger one because I'll show you. I want it to look like I did my hair in like rollers and blew it out. All right, so once it is out, we're gonna take it and we're gonna pin it like that. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing throughout the whole head. What the fuck is going on with this part of my hair, but okay. And then we're gonna do the top layer. So I bring everything to the front. So, same thing. God, my hair's, I really want to cut layers. This would look much better, but we're not doing it today. Not today. Where all my like real clips are. So this one I'm gonna use 2 bobby pins just to hold it in place, to give it some body, like that. front, we're gonna take this. Look how long my front pieces are. Like, how did this happen? I swear they were like up to here. I'm just gonna go like this. There's 2 pieces. I somehow literally have no hairspray, so I'm gonna use this little mini one and just spray like that. Now we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit before I take rollers out. Okay, so we got the dress on. This is from House of CB. It's pretty close, the original. Okay, so I'm just gonna take all the pins out. Guys, I'm so excited for my walk down the steps moment. Now all I need is my Freddie Prinze Jr. One day, guys, one day. Okay. Spray, we're gonna spray it again. And then we're just gonna brush it through. Just lightly, because my hair falls very fast. So. And she has like a little red dangle earring. I'm sure I have red somewhere, but I'm just gonna go with these for now because I don't know where all my jewelry is. So we're gonna do this. Now for the grand reveal.
We have a winner.
What, Laney Boggs? Nuh-uh, no.
Hey, a bet's a bet, bro, right, Preston?
Laney Boggs, get your cute butt down here. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me.
So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so much fun to do. I have another one that I'm doing. Just wait, it's even better than this one. If there are any other 90s movies or movies in general that you think I should do like a before and after, let me know by commenting below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.